Hello students, good morning again. Today we will discuss the rational number, and in this chapter we will discuss the topic addition of rationals and the property of addition of rational number. So this is very basic things, that how to add the two rational number. That we will take just a hint, like 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, both are rational number, and if you have to add, there are several rules. So first is what, take the LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so 2, divide this 6 by 2, 2 3 is 6, and multiply into numerator. We have already discussed it before the summer vacation. So this is 3 2 ja and 2 1 ja 2, so 3 to 5 upon 6. So this is the simple addition of rational numbers. So today we will discuss about the property of addition of rational number. Means properties. There are several properties of addition of rational number. First property is closure property. First property is closure property. Second is associative property. Second is associative property. Third is identity. You can say additive identity. Fourth is additive inverse. Fourth is additive inverse. And fifth is commutative property. Right, these five are the property, and one more property you can just take a look on, distributive property, but we will discuss it later when we will study about the multiplication of rational number. So one by one we will take a look about all the five properties. What is closure property? Closure property means what? Simple thing. Closure property means, suppose any rational number 1, 2, both are rational numbers, so there are two rational number. Then if you will add these two rational number, then the number which came after the adding, that number will also be 100% rational number. Means on addition of two rational, if it gives a rational, then it is closed under the addition. So we will say it hold the closure property. So you can say, if you can copy it, after that we will erase it. If a comma b are rational numbers, then a plus b is equal to c is also a rational number, right? For example, suppose 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 are rational number, then just add this. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 to just 6 is equal to 5 upon 6. This 5 upon 6 is also a rational number, so it holds closure property, right? This is the first property, that addition of two rational is again a rational number. Copy it. After that we will move on the next property. The second property was what? Associative property. You can write associativity, right? So in this property, if a comma b and c are three rational number three rational numbers, then they can be added in any order. Means that is a plus b plus c. Either add first a plus b, then add c, or a plus b plus c. You can take this also a plus c plus b. Okay. So this is the associative property. Example is very simple. Suppose 1, 1 comma 6 comma 9 are three rational number, three rationals. Then just take a look. 1 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to what? 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 1 plus, we are taking 6 9 in a pair, so this is 1 plus 6 9 50 is equal to 16. Now we are taking one pair with 9 plus 6 9 1 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So all three values are same, so we can say that 1 plus 6 plus 9 is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 9. That's it. You can write the third one also. So this is the second property. Copy it. For your convenience, you can take the screenshot of this and copy it later. First watch the video carefully. Now the third was additive. The third was additive inverse. This one is more important. Additive inverse. Before this, I think we should study about additive identity, right? Additive identity. So note it that this number 0, this number 0 is called additive additive identity. Additive identity. Why? Because 1 by 2 plus 0. You know very well that addition of any number with 0 gives the same value. There will be no change in the value. Is equal to 1 by 2. You can write it also like 0 plus 1 by 2. Right? Either add 1 by 0 in 1 by 2 or add 1 by 2 in 0. Both value will be same 1 by 2. So this is not going to change the value of 1 by 2. So 0 is known as what? Additive identity. And the last one is what? Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Just 1 minute. So again, additive inverse. Additive inverse means suppose A is a rational number, then minus A will be additive inverse. This is important, that any rational number is given, then just multiply in that rational number by minus 1, then that will be the additive inverse. The example that we will just take a look, that let 1 by 2, so additive inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to what? Just minus 1 by 2. Change the sign. Additive inverse of minus 3 upon 7 is equal to plus 3 upon 7. Additive inverse of, suppose question is asking minus 10,000, so plus 10,000, right? So this is the easy method. You can take a standard example, additive inverse of, suppose I'm writing completely, additive inverse of minus x. So what is the sign? Just multiply by minus. First solve this minus minus plus. This is already, so just you can put the extra minus. This number is already here. This is already here. So just multiply by minus. So minus minus plus x, and this is plus minus minus x. So additive inverse is equal to minus x. So these are the four properties. Now the important one will come. What? The fifth property is what? Commutative property. What? Commutative property. Commutative property means a and b are if a and b are two rational number, two rational numbers, then a plus b, add b into a, or b plus a, add a into b, either a plus b or b plus a. Change the order, there will be no change in the value, that both will be equal. Example, we can take 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So the LCM will be 4. Now 2 to the 4, 4 1 the 4. This is 3 upon 4. Now we are adding 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. I am changing the order. Just change the order. Then this will be LCM will be same. 4 1 the 4 1, 2 2 the 4 2. 1 plus 2, 3 upon 4. So this is 3 upon 4 and this is 3 upon 4. So by changing the order, there will be no change in the value. So you can copy it. This is 3 upon 4. An example you can take. So like 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 4. This is what? Commutative property. What? Commutative property, right? Changing the order. And if anyone saying 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, which is property, which is this? So this is closure property, because adding two rational number we are getting another rational number. This is closure property. And if anyone is saying 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, so this is associative property, adding in any order. So you will learn all the properties very properly and practice. I am giving you some question. The first question is 624 plus 1 by 2 is equal to just 1 by 2 plus dot dot dot. Second question is minus 108 upon 17 plus dot 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 is equal to minus 108 upon 17. Third one is 0 minus 16 upon 17 is equal to dot dot dot. Fourth question is 1 by 2 plus dot 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 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2 plus dot dot dot, here 3 upon 4 plus dot dot dot. So these are the four problems that you will practice, and if there is any doubt, then comment in the below section. So for today, this is the properties of addition of rational number. Very important property in your future level. Whenever you will study mathematics, then it will be very important things for your mathematical knowledge. So for today, thank you, and we will meet again in a new video.